Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Square Tap to Pay on Android. So this feature lets you accept contactless payments using just your phone so that customers can pay with a contactless card or a digital wallet like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. So the steps inside the Square app are also very similar on iPhone, so the same general process is easy to follow. So to get started, make sure NFC is turned on your Android phone settings. After that, open the Square Point of Sale app and then go to the More menu, then open settings. After you open settings, tap hardware, then check that tap to pay is enabled. So once it is set up, you can take a payment by adding an item or entering an amount. So tap review sale, choose charge, then select tap to pay. Ask the customer to hold their contactless card or phone near the back of your device. The exact spot can be near the top, middle, or button, depending on the phone. And when the payment goes through, you should hear a beep or see a confirmation on the screen. And that is it. Square Tap to Pay is now ready to use for contactless payments. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.